You're watching TPM Vid Spotlight Series. July 23rd marked the official opening of the Daredeviler at Canada's Wonderland.
3, 2, 1.
You may know it as Top Gun or Flight Deck, and although the coaster might look different, it's a lot more than just new paint.
Step on up and ride the Daredeviler!
The finest creation at the World Expo!
With its 5 inversions, the Daredeviler has always been pretty intense, but parts of the track were refined and the coaster received brand new trains with vest restraints. They make such a big difference. Since the coaster is almost 30 years old, there's that normal rattle you expect with a Vekoma SLC, but your head isn't banging against the restraints anymore. I honestly hadn't been on it since 2021 because of how uncomfortable it was, but opening day was the first time I was able to ride it more than once. I actually went on 5 times, and I gotta say, it's now a much more enjoyable ride experience. With past editions, we've seen Canada's Wonderland head back to their roots to infuse the park with a lot more theming, and the Daredeviler is no exception. Grand World Expo takes you into the turn of the century, and the inspiration for the coaster came from the air shows at the time. The Daredeviler gained most of its popularity during the barnstorming era in the 1920s as Canadian aviator Clara Hawk Redmond took to the skies to show off some tricks. As the coaster train flies on by, you'll hear the sound of the plane's propeller. And the thing that I'm most excited about is the addition of themed music. They have finally said goodbye to those top 40 hits. The Daredeviler, as well as the entire Grand World Expo area, now features classic ragtime music to set the scene. It might seem like a little thing, but you're now fully immersed into the turn of the century. It makes such a big difference, and it's the missing piece that takes Canada's Wonderland from an amusement park to a theme park. Now, this change is all thanks to new park president Christopher Mortensen, and he's been doing some great stuff at Canada's Wonderland. I cannot wait to see what the future has in store under his leadership, since it seems like Grand World Expo might be the next section of the park to get some more additions. Now, with that said, let's take to the skies with this full POV of the Daredeviler.
Welcome aboard the Daredevil. The aircraft has been given all clear for takeoff. As we prepare forward and forward position and hold on to we were riveted well over the Grand World Exposition of 1890.
Also es ist und bleibt ein beschissener SLC.
Scheiße.
Ja, scheiße. Nur die Westen machen da
Flight aboard the Daredevil. Your aircraft will be taxiing forward shortly. At this time, you may unfasten your seatbelt, but remain seated until your aircraft has come to a full and complete stop at the terminal. Once we've reached the gate, your restraints will release automatically, and you can exit to your right. Thank you for flying with us, and enjoy the rest of your day here at Canada's Wonderland.